Suspension, often talked about, but more often than not, misunderstood. So let's see if we can sort a few things out. Now, unlike cars, most bike suspension is adjustable, especially if it's a sports bike like this one. So where do you start? Well, not with the suspension, funnily enough, but with tyres. And why is that? Well, that's because the tyres are part of your suspension. They're pneumatic after all, so pressures are all important. Get yourself a good gauge. When the designer designs your bike, he's not just looking at compounds on the tyres and the general design of the tread, he's actually looking at the pressures that the tyre is going to run at, and he does it in consultation with the tyre manufacturers. Too soft and it'll be all squidgy. If I put this one down on the ground, you can see that it'll actually deform. I know it's not on the wheel, but nevertheless, I can see inside there, it's actually squashing out, so it deforms. If it's too hard, you end up getting this sort of shape, a really dome shape there, and so you're going to lose a lot of grip there, a lot of compliance you're going to lose, and again it'll affect the handling, so you lost the squidginess, but it'll make it very, very hard. I've chalked a bit of the tyre up here, just on that section there, just to show you the sort of contact patch you're going to get. And if I use my clipboard here, just put the gauge down. I know this might seem a bit unreal, but there we go. If I put the tyre there, let's put that on there. That's the piece of road. I know there's no weight on it, but I'm pressing on there with my hand. There's your contact patch. It's not very much, is it? And when you come to the rear tyre, it can be even more marked. See this one? This one is well squared off on the top. If I put it down on the floor, it'll probably even stand up, and it very nearly does. It's quite natural for it to be squared off on the top. No matter how fast you're going around corners, no matter how often you get your knee down, most of the time you're going to spend upright. And that's why you end up scrubbing all that centre off, especially if you've got a lot of power with the bike. But look how that will affect your handling. As soon as you start to go around a corner, you get onto that edge there, and then the bike literally falls over, and you'll actually feel that. And you'll also get this white lining business where a flat tyre will pick up any ripples in the road. So that's why your tyres are all important.